Welcome to MindXY, your channel for logical thinking and puzzle solving. Today, we're solving one of the internet's most persistent math debates. You've probably seen it. 60 divided by 5 times the quantity 7 minus 5. Is the answer 24 or 6? Pause here and try to solve it yourself first. The confusion is real, and it's not because the math is hard. It's because we need a crystal clear understanding of the rules of the road in mathematics, the order of operations. By the end of this video, you won't just know the answer. You'll understand the why behind it with such clarity that you can explain it confidently to anyone. Let's build that foundation together. We often learn PEMDAS or BODMAS, but these mnemonics can be misleading if we don't understand their structure. Think of it not as a strict list, but as a hierarchy of tiers. First, tier 1, the base, is P or B for parentheses or brackets. Everything inside these walls gets completed first, creating a single number. Second is tier 2, E or O for exponents or orders. Powers and roots come next. Then we reach the crucial tier, tier 3, M and D for multiplication and division. They are on the same level. Multiplication does not automatically come before division. Finally, tier 4, A and S for addition and subtraction, also on the same level. The golden rule for operations on the same tier is this: you must process them strictly from left to right. This left to right rule is the key that unlocks our puzzle. Let's see these tiers in action. First, brackets are boss. Consider 10 times the quantity 5 plus 3. Brackets create an island of calculation. We must resolve that island into a single number before we can interact with the outside world. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now the island is gone and we have 10 times 8. The brackets forced our hand, giving us a definitive 80. Next, let's see the hierarchy work with different tiers. Take 4 squared plus 20 divided by 5. Step 1. Handle the exponent, tier 2. 4 squared is 16. Our problem is now 16 plus 20 divided by 5. Step 2. We see division and addition. Why division before addition? Because division from tier 3 is higher than addition from tier 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. We now have 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4 equals 20. The hierarchy guides us cleanly. Now for the most crucial training example, one that directly mirrors our viral problem. Our expression is 18 minus 3 times 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Step 1. We scan and see only multiplication and division from tier 3. We must start on the far left. The first operation we hit is 3 times 4. That equals 12. Our new expression is 18 minus 12 divided by 2 plus 1. Step 2. Still on tier 3, moving left to right, the next operation is 12 divided by 2. That equals 6. Expression 18 minus 6 plus 1. Step 3. Now we're on tier 4, addition and subtraction. Left to right again. First, 18 minus 6 equals 12. Then, 12 plus 1 equals 13. This drill proves it. When operations share a tier, order is determined solely by left to right position. With our rules rock solid, let's conquer the viral expression. 60 divided by 5 times the quantity 7 minus 5. Step 1. Parentheses. This is non-negotiable. 7 minus 5 equals 2. We've resolved the island. The expression is now 60 divided by 5, multiplied by 2. A critical point here, the 5 times 2 is implied multiplication. In our modern standard, implied multiplication has the exact same priority as explicit multiplication or division. It's just multiplication. Step 2. We are now on Tier 3. Only division and multiplication. We must start on the far left. What is the leftmost operation? It is 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Our simplified expression is 12 multiplied by 2. 12 times 2 equals 24. This is the mathematically correct, unambiguous answer. So, where does the confusion leading to the answer 6 come from? It stems from an older, less standardized convention that often gave implied multiplication, like the 5 multiplied by the parenthesis, higher priority than explicit division. People who get 6 calculate the 5 times 2 first, getting 10. Then they finish the problem. 60 divided by 10 equals 6. While this convention existed, it is not the rule used in modern mathematics, modern calculators, or programming languages. In the current universal standard, implied multiplication has the same priority. If the problem truly intended the division to happen last, it would have been written unambiguously using brackets like this. 60 divided by the quantity 5 times 2. They did not. Therefore, we follow the standard, unambiguous rules. You now have the absolute authority on this problem. Remember the sequence, parentheses and exponents first, then a complete left-to-right sweep for all multiplication and division, and finally a complete left-to-right sweep for all addition and subtraction. The correct answer to the viral math problem is definitively 24. If you enjoyed unraveling this mathematical mystery with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into math and science. Let us know in the comments what other puzzles we should explore next. Thanks for watching.